Have you got your favorite shirt stained with ink or grease, or any other kind of stubborn stains? Have you washed them over and over but the stain is still there? Oh no, don't think about throwing your shirt away yet before trying out these handy brilliant hacks. But before we move on, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap on the bell icon to receive new video updates. Hack number 1. Artificial sweetener. If you're out to dinner, at a restaurant, or even if grease splatters on you while you're cooking, use artificial sweetener immediately to blot the stain. The fine powder will absorb the oil. You may have to keep blotting and using more sweetener, but it really works. An artificial sweetener is always handy in any eatery. 2. Shaving cream tomato sauce remover. Take a can of non-gel shaving cream and spray it into the stain. Rub it in gently and let it dry before washing as normal. Shaving cream can also remove stains from your carpet. 3. Milk. Another great option for removing ink stains likes to hang out in your fridge. While milk is an amazing source of calcium, it's also one powerful tool when it comes to ink stain removal. Give your ink-stained shirts, sheets, and skirts an overnight milk bath to remove stains, and then wash as usual to remove the milk. 4. Hairspray. Whether you need an emergency treatment because the kids found your hidden permanent marker, or you're trying to save a favorite shirt after an unfortunate run-in with a broken ink pen, hairspray has the potential to save the day. Simply spray the ink stains with the magical hairstyle holding, ink-removing substance, and watch them disappear before your eyes. 5. White wine. No need to freak out next time there's a wine spill during a party. Red wine stains can easily be neutralized by pouring a little white wine on top of it. Dab the stain to clean up extra liquid, then wash the fabric as you normally would. 6. Club soda. Seltzer is good to keep stocked in your pantry for more than just drinking. The acidic nature of our favorite beverage do the trick when it comes to stains from coffee, tea, wine, and beyond. The bubbles help lift the unwanted substance from your clothes. 7. White vinegar. Avoid hot water when it comes to stain removal. Instead, tackle it with a mixture of cold water and 1/4 cup white vinegar, and soak items for at least 30 minutes before rubbing and rinsing the spot. For carpeting and mattresses, pour on white vinegar, then sprinkle baking soda over top. Allow it to bubble before vacuuming up the powder. 8. Cornstarch. Getting food grease on leather, silk, or other delicate fabrics can feel like a tragedy. Cornstarch is an ingredient that can keep you calm. Blot the powder onto the strained area. Let it sit for 20 minutes or until it absorbs the strain, then brush it off with a clean cloth or toothbrush. 9. The next time you find a ring around the collar of your favorite work shirt, use shampoo. Shampoo is made to break down the body oils in your hair, so it stands to reason that it can do the same for fabric. Rub a bit of cheap shampoo on the ring around your collar, and watch as it works its magic and completely removes any evidence of a ring. As a rule of thumb, keep in mind that it's always best to blot, not rub when removing a stain. Forcefully rubbing can cause the stain to become more deeply ingrained in the fabric, and thus more difficult to get out.